Welcome to EES Consultancy. Ogre, a town in central Latvia, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. With its scenic landscapes, cultural treasures, and welcoming community, Ogre offers a delightful experience. Nature lovers will be captivated by the picturesque Ogre River and the enchanting forests surrounding the town. It's a paradise for outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, and boating. Ogre is home to several notable landmarks, including the Ogre Castle ruins and the Ogre History and Art Museum. These sites provide insights into the town's rich history and cultural heritage. The town's development is focused on creating a thriving community, with modern residential areas, shopping centers, and recreational facilities for residents to enjoy. Ogre hosts various live events throughout the year, such as the Ogre Summer Festival and the Ogre Food and Beer Festival, bringing locals and visitors together in celebration. At EES Consultancy, we take pride in promoting Ogre as a wonderful place to live, work, and explore. Whether you're seeking natural beauty, cultural immersion, or a welcoming community, Ogre has it all. Come and join us in uncovering the magic of Ogre.